Alright, I'm doing this because literally one guy asked me to do this video. It's not going to be very long, but this might be the final ride in the Prelude, boys. But I'll make sure you see it because I just remembered that comment. Someone asked me to just make a video of me just driving it down the road, you know, inside view with my phone. So I hope the audio is like all right, you know. Little turn coming up here. I'm just chilling in third right now because, you know, standard car, and I'm trying to hold the phone and record and drive. I'm over near Thompson Speedway right now. Alright, I need GPS, boys. Gotta go. Minute and 34. I'll try to film a little bit more before the thing happens.